para lang kunyari wala nang vacuum or masettle na, pwede nilang gawin?
Again, if I were to be strict about it, hindi nila pwede gawin yon. Kasi
Mm.
nga, yung call for special session, which is the authority now
Mhm.
para magkaroon ng special session, walang sinasabi tungkol dun eh.
Mm, mm.
So kung gawin nila yon, kung gawin nila yon, it can be brought to the Supreme Court again. Obviously, it will
Ah,
have legal effect
okay.
kasi kung walang magreklamo, walang
Anong
mag-question,
violation nila
kung talaga,
doon? Dahil hindi nila sinunod yung proclamation, ganun ba yun?
oh, hindi, they exceeded the authority
Ah, okay.
of the
Mm.
constitution. Kasi
Mm.
wala dun eh.
Mm. Oh, okay.
'Di
Pero
ba?
hindi ba nila
So,
pwedeng sabihin na gagawin namin to para mas magampanan namin yung trabaho? Parang unahin muna natin to, isettle to para mas magampanan namin yung trabaho na inata sa amin doon sa call for special session.
certainly they can argue that way. Pero kasi kahit naman hindi nila gawin 'yon, maaari nilang gawin yung mga trabahong inatas nung
Mm.
pangulo eh.
Mm.
So,
Okay.
'di ba sabi ko nga sa iyo, ang kumbaga ang anchor principle natin is kung ano yung nasa call, yun ang pwede
Na
nilang
very
gawin. Yun ang
specific.
dapat nilang gawin
Oo, oo.
na very specific.
Okay.
Now, if they go beyond that, pwede silang ma-question sa Korte Suprema na what's your authority to do that? Eh kasi special session eh, hindi naman regular session ito eh.
Okay.
Obviously, kung regular session, kahit ano pwede nilang gawin
Mm.
for as long as they have quorum.
Okay. Ayan, abang